Welcome to this complete Calpe, Spain travel guide. Nestled on Spain's sun-kissed Costa Blanca, Calpe is a destination that blends the old with the new in a delightful dance of tradition and modernity. This seaside town, with its azure Mediterranean waters and towering rock formations, has a charm that's as enduring as the ancient Roman salt pans that dot its landscape. But don't be fooled by its small size. Calpe is a treasure trove of experiences, from relaxing on sandy beaches to scaling the heights of Peñón de Ifach, from exploring the winding streets of the old town to scuba diving in crystal-clear waters. Calpe dishes out a smorgasbord of activities for every type of traveller. Food lovers, history buffs, nature enthusiasts, beach bums. There's something for everyone in this coastal gem. So, ready to explore the 10 best things to do in Calpe, Spain? Let's dive in. First on our list is the monumental Peñón de Ifach. Imagine a colossal limestone outcrop reaching towards the heavens, right from the heart of the Mediterranean Sea. That's the Peñón de Ifach for you, a natural park boasting unparalleled panoramic views that will leave you breathless. The journey to the top might be a bit of a thrill, but it's part of the fun. With every step, the view becomes more and more spectacular. And it isn't just the vistas that'll captivate you. The park is home to a diverse array of flora and fauna, from the rarest species of plants to the vibrant bird life. It's a nature lover's paradise. Remember to pack a sturdy pair of shoes, a bottle of water, and your sense of adventure. And don't forget your camera. You'll want to capture these memories. After all, a visit to Calpe isn't complete without conquering the Peñón de Ifach. Next up, we have the stunning Playa de la Fossa. Just imagine you're stepping onto a beach of the finest sand, so soft it's like powdered sugar beneath your feet. You look out onto the crystal clear water shimmering under the warm Spanish sun. It's like a sparkling blue sapphire inviting you in for a refreshing swim. Playa de la Fossa is not just a paradise for sunbathers and swimmers. It's also a playground for those seeking a bit more thrill. Whether you fancy a bit of jet skiing, paddleboarding, or perhaps a leisurely kayak ride, there's a water sport for everyone here. And let's not forget about the ample amenities. You'll find a fantastic selection of beach bars, also known as chiringuitos, restaurants and shops, all lined up along the bustling promenade. It's the perfect place to grab a bite, sip on a cool drink, or pick up a souvenir to remember your day. For beach lovers, Playa de la Fossa is a must-visit. Now, let's step back in time at Calpe's old town, Casco, Antiguo. As you meander through this charming area, you'll be greeted by narrow, winding streets that seem to whisper stories from centuries past. It's like a living, breathing postcard with its vibrantly painted houses that pop against the cobalt blue skies. And don't be surprised if you find yourself caught up in a game of Spot the Landmark. From the ancient walls of the Moorish quarter to the ornate Baroque church, history is alive and well here, but don't let the daytime charm fool you. As the sun dips, Casco Antiguo dons a new persona, one that loves the night. Its vibrant nightlife is a delightful blend of old-world charm and modern beats. And let's not forget about the food. Authentic Spanish cuisine, from tapas to paella, taste even better when eaten in a centuries-old plaza. Casco Antiguo is where history, culture, and gastronomy intersect. Ready for some adventure? Cova dels Arcs awaits. Imagine plunging into the azure depths of the Mediterranean, where an underwater marvel unfolds before your eyes. Cova dels Arcs, a celebrated diving spot in Calpe, is renowned for its unique rock formations that form a natural archway, a gateway to an aquatic wonderland. The cave's allure lies not just in its structure, but also in the vibrant marine life that calls it home. As you navigate the labyrinthine passages, you'll encounter a kaleidoscope of sea creatures, from darting fish to the occasional octopus. The soft murmur of the sea echoes around you, a symphony of the deep that underscores this truly immersive experience. For those with an adventurous spirit, Cova dels Arcs offers an unforgettable exploration into the heart of the Mediterranean's underwater world, a journey into the blue, where each turn reveals a new spectacle of nature's artistry. Cova dels Arcs, an underwater paradise for the adventurous. Back to the coast, the Playa del Arenal-Bol is another beach not to be missed. Imagine a stretch of golden sand that stretches over a kilometer long. That's Playa del Arenal-Bol for you, a place where the Mediterranean Sea gently laps onto the shore, creating a rhythm that lulls you into a state of bliss. Not one to rest on its laurels, Playa del Arenal-Bol also boasts a lively promenade that runs parallel to the beach. An avenue teeming with vibrant restaurants, quaint cafes and eclectic shops. It's an ideal place to enjoy a meal, sip on a cocktail or indulge in a bit of retail therapy. And let's not forget the beach activities. From beach volleyball to paddleboarding, there's always something to get your heart pumping. So whether you're a sun worshipper, a foodie, a shopaholic or an adrenaline junkie, Playa del Arenal-Bol has got you covered. Playa del Arenal-Bol, where the beach day never ends. Next, let's head up to Mirador Monte Toix. As we ascend, the world beneath us transforms into an exquisite tableau. The panoramic views from this vantage point are nothing short of mesmerizing. You'll see the azure Mediterranean Sea caressing the rugged coastline and the charming town of Calpe, nestling at the foot of the mighty Peñón de Ifach. The breathtaking vista is a patchwork of the town's red-tiled roofs, verdant greenery and the endless expanse of the sea. The whole scene is a symphony of colors, a feast for the eyes. And as the day folds into twilight, the spectacle becomes even more enchanting. The setting sun paints the sky in hues of gold and crimson, giving the scene an ethereal glow. The beauty of the sunset from Mirador Monte Toix is a spectacle not to be missed. It's a sight that will etch itself into your memory, leaving you with a longing to return. Mirador Monte Toix, a view that will steal your breath away. Now let's explore the natural wonder of Las Salinas de Calpe. A stark contrast to the city's hustle and bustle, this salt lake is a haven for nature lovers. Its origins date back to Roman times when it was used to extract salt. Today it's a protected natural park and home to a flamboyance of flamingos. Yes, you heard it right, a group of flamingos is indeed called a flamboyance. And once you see their striking pink hue against the backdrop of the salt lake, you'll understand why. Surrounded by hills and vegetation, Las Salinas offers fantastic bird-watching opportunities. Not just flamingos, but other species like the common shelduck, black-winged stilt, and the little egret also grace these waters. The Salt Lake's tranquil setting makes it a perfect spot to unwind, take a leisurely stroll, or just sit back and enjoy the spectacle of nature. Las Salinas de Calpe, a touch of wilderness in the heart of the city. Ready for a leisurely stroll? Paseo Ecológico Principe de Asturias beckons. Imagine a coastal walk where the Mediterranean's azure waves kiss the rocky shoreline, where the sun paints the sky with hues of gold and pink, setting the world aglow. This is the Paseo Ecológico Principe de Asturias. Enveloped in the soothing murmur of the sea, this place offers a tranquil respite from the lively streets of Calpe. Here you are in the company of the calming sea breeze, the rustling leaves and the harmonious symphony of the local avifauna. Every step you take along this path reveals a fresh perspective of the stunning coastal scenery, a visual treat that never loses its charm. Not just a walk, it's an experience, a journey that takes you away from the concrete jungle and immerses you in nature's splendid canvas. Paseo Ecológico Principe de Asturias, a serene escape from the hustle and bustle. Next we have the secluded Cala del Mallorqui. Tucked away from the bustling city, Cala del Mallorqui offers a refreshing escape. This small cove, with its clear turquoise waters and tranquil atmosphere, is a true embodiment of serenity. As if painted by an artist, the vibrant hues of the sea against the rugged cliffs create a captivating tableau. The calm waters of Cala del Mallorqui are an invitation to explorers beneath the surface. Snorkelers are treated to an underwater spectacle of diverse marine life, making it a popular spot for those seeking a vibrant encounter with nature. But it's not just about the underwater world. The peaceful atmosphere allows you to sit back, soak up the sun, and simply enjoy the melodic symphony of the waves. With every visit to Cala del Mallorqui, you'll find yourself falling in love with its charm over and over again. It's more than just a destination, it's an experience. Cala del Mallorqui, a hidden gem for peace seekers. Last but not least, immerse yourself in local culture at Mercado de Calpe. A hub of energy and color, the market is a vibrant feast for the senses. The air is filled with the tantalizing aroma of fresh produce, from citrus fruits to sun-ripened tomatoes, all grown in the fertile Spanish soil. And let's not forget the local crafts. Artisans from around the region bring their wares to the market, offering a wide array of unique handmade goods. Whether it's a beautifully woven basket or a piece of intricate ceramic art, there's something for everyone. The food stalls are a must visit. From mouth-watering paella to tasty tapas, they serve up a smorgasbord of local delicacies that will make your taste buds dance. And of course, the friendly locals are always ready with a smile and a story, adding to the market's warm and welcoming atmosphere. Mercado de Calpe, where you can taste, touch, and feel the local life. And there you have it, the top 10 things to do in Calpe, Spain. We've journeyed together from the towering heights of Peñón de Ifach to the vibrant and bustling Mercado de Calpe. Along the way, we've taken in the golden sands of Playa de la Fossa and Playa del Arenal-Bol, delved into the historical heart of the Casco Antiguo and marveled at the stunning views from Mirador Monte Toix. We've also explored the beautiful Cova dels Arcs, strolled the peaceful Paseo ecologico Principe de Asturias, and discovered the tranquil beauty of Cala del Mallorqui. We've even had time to appreciate the natural wonder of las Salinas de Calpe. Each of these attractions offers a unique slice of life in this corner of Spain, from the thrilling to the serene, the historic to the breathtakingly beautiful. They all come together to make Calpe a truly unforgettable destination. Calpe, a place where memories await at every corner. Until next time, safe travels.